What are you guys doing in here? Is this a secret clubhouse? Hmm? Why are you yawning? You said I'm boring? What the hell? Why is everyone leaving?